clean coal ball pressing machine has the advantages of strong extrusion ability, not easy to wear, long service life and so on, and the equipment can be long-term normal, high speed and stable operation and so on, and is loved by the majority of users. Can be all kinds of waste through forced pressurization, pre-pressure screw precision processing, made into high-density pellets, is widely used in metallurgy and chemical industry, coal and refractory materials and other industries. In the process of pressing, adhesive and raw materials mix evenly, and then through the roller extrusion, the pulverized coal molding rate can be up to 100%. Clean coal ball pressing machine can press a variety of shapes of pellets. The clean coal ball pressing mechanism for forming materials, energy saving and environmental protection, easy to transport, can effectively improve the utilization rate of waste, has good economic and social benefits.